Hello, fabulous viewers. Today we're diving into a captivating and crucial topic: hormones and weight loss in women. If you're on a journey to shed those extra pounds and have ever wondered why it can be challenging, you're in the right place. So, let's explore the intricate relationship between hormones and weight loss. We all know that hormones play a vital role in our bodies, affecting everything from our mood to metabolism. For women, hormones can be a significant factor in their weight loss journey. Let's start by understanding how hormones can impact your weight. First and foremost, let's talk about insulin. Insulin regulates blood sugar levels, and when it's out of balance, it can lead to weight gain. High sugar diets and insulin resistance can be key factors here. To keep insulin in check, opt for a balanced diet with whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of veggies. Avoid excessive sugar and refined carbs. And don't forget, regular exercise can improve insulin sensitivity. Leptin, often referred to as the satiety hormone, communicates to your brain when you're full. When leptin levels drop, you may find it harder to control your appetite. Stress and poor sleep can affect leptin production. To support healthy leptin levels, practice stress management techniques, get enough sleep, and eat mindfully. A good night's rest and stress reduction can make a big difference. Estrogen is another crucial hormone for women. It's responsible for fat storage, particularly in the hips and thighs. As women age, estrogen levels decline, leading to changes in body composition. To balance estrogen levels, focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Regular physical activity can help maintain a healthy weight and promote hormonal balance. In conclusion, understanding the role of hormones in your weight loss journey is essential. It's not just about calories in and calories out. It's about finding the right balance in your hormones to support your goals. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to navigate the challenges of hormones and weight loss, we strongly recommend our highly recommended weight loss program. It's designed to address the unique needs of women seeking to achieve their weight loss goals. You can find the link to this program in the video description below. We believe it can be a game changer for many of you, so be sure to check it out. Your health and well-being are worth the investment. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and stay fabulous.